Hello, today we are going to talk about Ashv Business Loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for Ashv Business Loan. Having minimum turnover more than 3 crore, banking program 1 crore to 100 crore. Co-applicant age should be between 23 year to 65 year. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 650. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, she may get loan amount up to 5 lakh to 30 lakh. Tenure will be 12 month to 36 month. Rate of interest will be 18% to 21%. Turnaround time is 2 days for sanction and 7 days for disbursement. Foreclosure charges will be 4% of the loan amount. Processing fees will be 2% of the loan amount. Part payment is not allowed. Business registration proof is mandatory. Co-applicant is mandatory. Business vintage should be 2 years. Processing will be offline. Ownership proof is required. Any blood relative if applicant is individual or proprietor, for others applicable co-applicant. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of Ashv Business Loan: no financial up to 20 lakh loans. Location will be 50 km from branch. Let's talk about some negative points. Negative profiles are both side rented, school, advocates, share traders, gym, liquor business, travel, real estate, spa, manpower, aviation sector, coal industry. No specific product for professionals. Required documents: KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year bank statement of applicant. Last 2-year Form 16 of applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration. Copy of MSME registration. Copy of last 12-month GST return. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned, or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned, or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders if applicant, if company, or list of partners if applicant is partnership LLP.